Welcome back to the complete teardown of this 1983 Jeep Wagoneer, or as I like to call it, the Rockhound. Today I think we'll remove the AC and let's do the alternator as well. Why not? Let's start with the AC lines. I'm opening it a little bit slow because there might be a little bit of residual pressure even though it's been drained. I'm always a little cautious with it. I found this knife inside the Jeep. I thought, well, let's give it a try and try and cut the belts off. Yeah, I think I should have just used something else. Starting at the top of the AC bracket, let's start removing these bolts and get this thing out of here. Need to remove the 40 plus years of oil, grease, dirt, and grime. So give me a minute so I can clean it off so we can get to this bolt here. I probably should have removed this when I removed the first two bolts on the bracket. I think we've got some more bolts hiding somewhere. The alternator is easy to pull out. Once you've got the AC bracket, just a couple bolts, remove the wires, that's it, we're done.